Greetings. I am an own-out tools developer. Blockchain solutions without programming experience. In this video, we will look at how to set up and launch your own NFT tokens marketplace. On the created marketplace, users will be able to buy your NFT tokens. And also, if desired, sell them to other users. Let's get started. Host the network in which our marketplace will work. Move on to setting up the NFT collection. We need to create an NFT collection that the marketplace will work with. Specify the NFT collection symbol, collection name, and allow trading for this NFT collection. We can also allow or prohibit users from selling their NFTs from this collection on our marketplace. And specify the commission that users will pay to the owner of the marketplace. The next option is the marketplace currency. By default, only the native currency of the selected network is available. You can also specify ERS-20 tokens, which can also be used as a means of payment. Let's add a test token for an example. Just enter the address of the token. For example, let's specify a marketplace commission of 20%. Now you can start deploying the contract. Confirm the transaction. Ready. NFT collection created. Now let's create a staking contract and save the settings. We reviewed the staking setup in the last video. Everything is simple here. You need to specify the reward token and the amount of the reward. You can also enable NFT locking and specify the time during which NFT will be locked and staking. Deploying a staking contract on the blockchain. Confirm the transaction. Waiting for the transaction to be mined on the network. Everything is ready, the initial setup is done. Now we can save the settings of our site. Confirm the transaction. Waiting for the transaction to be mined on the network. Ready. Let's check that everything works correctly. Let's go through the sections of the site. Everything is fine. Now let's start filling our marketplace. Go to the NFT collection section. The settings can be changed at any time. Change the marketplace commission. Allow or deny trading. Open Mint NFT for sale. Here you can create one NFT for sale. Specifying the path to the image, sale currency, and the cost of NFT. Also, you can create a lot of NFT at once. Let's create one NFT. All NFTs that are created through the admin panel by default belong to the administrator. Choosing a currency. Specify the price. Confirm the transaction. Waiting for the transaction to be mined on the network. Ready. First NFT with number 1 created. Check out the marketplace. As I said earlier, all NFT created through the admin panel belongs to the administrator. Therefore, he can manage them right there in the marketplace. For example, remove from sale. Waiting for the transaction to be mined on the network. Ready. Also right here you and your users can put NFT up for sale. Just enter the currency, price, and click sell. Confirm the transaction. Waiting for the transaction to be mined on the network. Now let's create a lot of NFT at once. And let's look at the marketplace from the side of a regular user, not an administrator. Specify pictures for our NFT. Specify for each its own price and currency of sale. Done. Click Mint NFTs. And confirm the transaction. Waiting for the transaction to be mined on the network. Ready. New NFTs created and placed on the marketplace. Let's set up the mint section at the same time. Confirm the transaction. And wait for the transaction to be mined in the blockchain. Ready. Switch to another account. Let's buy some NTF. Confirm the transaction. Waiting for the transaction to be mined on the network. Now let's pay for NFT with tokens. Confirm the approval. And confirm the purchase transaction. waiting for the transaction to be mined on the network. Ready. Now let's put our NFTs up for sale on the marketplace to see how the commission works. Confirming the sale transaction. And wait for the transaction to be mined in the blockchain. The first NFT was put up for sale. Put up for sale the second NFT, but not for the native currency of the blockchain, but for tokens. We confirm the sale transaction and wait for it to be mined in the blockchain. Ready. Let's switch to the third account to buy these NFTs and see how the marketplace commission works. Let's buy the first. Confirm transaction. And wait for the transaction to be mined in the blockchain. Ready. Now let's look at the transaction in more detail in the Blockchain Explorer. Wait until the transaction is indexed and detailed information about it appears. Indexed. As we can see here, the seller received 80% of the NFT price. 20% was the marketplace commission, which was automatically transferred to the administrator's account. Now let's buy NFT which is owned by admin. Waiting for the transaction to be mined on the network. confirming the purchase transaction. And wait for the transaction to be mined in the blockchain. Ready. Let's take a look at the transaction in the Blockchain Explorer. As you can see here, the entire amount was directly sent immediately to the administrator. And now let's buy NFT, which does not belong to the administrator. Similar actions. Confirm the transaction. Waiting for the transaction to be mined in the blockchain. Ready. NFT successfully purchased. Let's take a look at the transaction. As we can see, the seller received 80%. 20%, the marketplace commission was automatically sent to the administrator. That's all I wanted to show you today. Good luck and see you.